Welcome to another lesson from Jaden's new album CTV3. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play In the Hills. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy. So the verse is made up of 3 chords, the first of which is a C minor flat 6 chord. So you're going to place your ring finger on the 10th fret of the D string. You're going to bar the G, B, and high E strings on the 8th fret with your pointer finger. And you're going to place your middle finger on the 9th fret of the B string. Next is an E flat minor 7 chord. So you're going to bar the 6th fret from the A string with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 8th fret of the D string and your middle finger on the 7th fret of the B string. And then last is an F7 sharp 9 chord. So you're going to place your middle finger on the 8th fret of the A string, your pointer finger on the 7th fret of the D string, your ring finger on the 8th fret of the G string, and your pinky finger on the 9th fret of the B string. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the bridge. The bridge is made up of 3 chords, the first of which is a B flat minor add 9 chord. So you're going to place your ring finger on the 8th fret of the D string. You're going to bar the G, B, and high E strings on the 6th fret with your pointer finger, and you're going to place your pinky finger on the 8th fret of the high E string. Next is a B minor chord, so you're just going to lift your pinky finger. And then last is an A flat major chord, so you're going to place your ring finger on the 6th fret of the D string, your middle finger on the 5th fret of the G string, and you're going to bar the B and high E strings on the 4th fret with your pointer finger. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for In the Hills. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.